During the 13th apparition at the grotto in Lourdes, the Lady requested that people come here in procession. Soon after, the local Children of Mary observed this request by walking processionally from the town to the grotto, chanting hymns to Our Lady as they went. Les Lacets, or the zigzag pathway, now found at the upper side of the upper basilica, was constructed between 1862 and 1863. This greatly facilitated access to the grotto, because back then there was no St. Joseph's Gate nor St. Michael's Gate. In fact, Rosary Square was just a muddy field at that time. Once construction of the crypt was completed in 1866, it was possible to carry the Blessed Sacrament as part of this procession. Sometime later, the tradition of blessing the sick pilgrims with the Sacred Host began. The Blessed Sacrament Procession, one of the 2 daily processions which now take place in Lourdes, has had many different forms over the years, but the essential elements have always remained. Walking in procession, adoration of the Blessed Sacrament, and the blessing form the foundation of this very special, very spiritual procession. At 5 p.m. daily, faithful pilgrims gather for the Eucharistic or Blessed Sacrament procession. Nowadays, the procession usually starts on the prairie, with pilgrims assembling at the lower side of St. Bernadette's Chapel, close to the podium. The honour of carrying the Blessed Sacrament is granted to a visiting cardinal, bishop or priest. Helpers from diocesan pilgrimages or larger groups are selected to carry the canopy and the banners. The procession is led by the assisted pilgrims and makes its way across the bridge over the River Galve, and it then makes its way to the underground Basilica of St. Pius X. Assisted pilgrims, or les malades, being the VIPs of Lourdes, surround 3 sides of the altar in the underground basilica. Participants are blessed with the Blessed Sacrament as it is carried through the basilica. Another very important aspect of the Blessed Sacrament procession is the participation of the medical doctors, the bishops and priests, as well as the hospitality volunteers, who are all present to verify any cures or miracles which may take place as the Blessed Sacrament passes through the congregation. When you're back here next year and wish to participate in the Blessed Sacrament procession but are unsure where to assemble, you can listen out for announcements which are made regularly from around 4 p.m. in Rosary Square. These announcements let you know where to assemble on that particular day for this very special Blessed Sacrament procession.